Okay, let's continue with the examples. Okay, so here, right, okay, wait, this, let's go start with this first. Okay, so in example 1, okay, so we want to write cos 130 in terms of the trig ratio of an acute angle. Okay, so this is 130. All right, so meaning here is 50 degrees. Okay, so we know that cos will be in the negative. Okay, so cos 130 is equals to negative cos 50. That's all. Okay, because acute angle means less than 90 degree ma. So we can easily find that is 50 and is also the negative 100 and cos 50. Okay, right tangent negative 152. Okay, negative 152 can be where? Okay, ah, here you see negative 152 means it going backwards ma. Okay, so you see if you notice, all right, the circle, like bearing, okay, bearing you start from north and go clockwise, but in this case you start from positive x and you go anti-clockwise, but because it's negative so you go clockwise also, so you get this angle, and so acute angle will be 28. All right, so tangent will be positive. Okay, so tangent is 28. All right, now sine 560, so meaning one circle is 360 so meaning this is actually sine 200. So 360 and then another 200. Okay, now this one, what's left here is actually just 20, okay, from the x-axis acute angle, and sine here will be at t is what? T is only tangent is positive, so sine will be negative. Okay, so if you case you didn't really get the idea earlier, A means all is positive, S means only sine is positive, T is tangent is positive, C is cos is positive. Okay, so here is sine negative, so means negative sine 20. All right, given the theta is an acute angle, okay, write tangent negative theta in terms of tangent theta. Okay, so here will be negative. Okay, well, of course it could be the other, it could be on the quadrant 2 also lah, right? So but since we want it as an acute angle, okay, so it can only be here, because here it will not be acute anymore. All right, so tangent negative theta equals to negative tangent theta. Okay, now this one also you can take a look, cos 180 minus theta. Okay, in terms of cos, so minus theta means over here, right? Here cos is negative, so negative cos theta. All this is just basically the way to try to, what you call that, a way to find the relationship. Okay, so here as exercises, okay, you can pause here and try yourself. Okay, I'll just go through with the answers, right? So sine 100, you will go to quadrant 2 already. Okay, so you get sine 80. Okay, uh, you can pause and play on when you figure out the answer. Okay, these are exact values. Okay, so this one I think it's more of add maths already, so yeah, you can just skip all this lah. All right, okay, that would be all. Thank you, class.